2019 Volkswagen Jetta. So we got everything prepped and ready to go. I'm going to use metallic graphite to start off with. This may be a little too dark, but I would rather start dark and come back to a lighter color than try to go the other way. Yeah. Which, to be honest, is not all far. Could probably get away with that. So we'll let that dry and be right back. Alright, so now it's not exactly completely dry, I'll be honest, it's only been a few minutes. But I'm going to use this Duplicolor, which is a graphite color. It's the darkest one they offer. And I'm just going to overspray it to try and take away how dark it looks. And it being a little bit tacky will help them blend together a little bit better. Dead on. So you can really see it better now that the cards are gone. So whenever you overspray, you get like this little dusty buildup. So you let everything dry in real good. I took my towel and I wiped everything down real gently. You know, wasn't trying to clean it. Just wiped all that dust down. And so now you can really see it matches up really, really good. Now we're going to take our Duplicolor gloss and blend it in. The tires are covered in Armor All, so that's why I did not put cards back up, because this clear coat will not stick. And there you have it. Another rim, good as new. See you next time. Remember to like and subscribe.